Welcome to this training module looking at the Smart Notebook software. In this module, we will look at how our knowledge of smart functionality allows us to develop interaction. I want to create a new activity based around shapes. Firstly, let's draw our shapes. And add a little bit of colour by using the Fill tool. Now we can create our text boxes. We now have a quick labelling activity. If we want a sorting activity instead, we can select Move the Shapes and notice how they stack by layering. Use the Line tool to draw straight lines and text boxes for labels. We now have a quick sorting activity. You can now create interactive exercises for your class.